Hi and welcome back. Today I'll teach you how you can download the Vlc Media Player. Navigate to the videolan.org in your preferred browser to go to this website. In here, you then get this outputted, their own website. Here you can click this little down arrow and find the type of thing you'd like to download it for. So I'm gonna download this for Windows 64-bit, so I click this. After a few seconds, it should pop up down here, which it sure did. And if it does not, you can click here. If it has popped up here, but you have accidentally removed it, you can go to your little folder here, go to your downloads folder, and you can find it in here. When it's done, click it. Choose between languages you'd like. I'm just going to choose English for this. Click next, click next. Here's some plugins and things that you can type out if something that you wouldn't like. I recommend if you do not like the web plugins, just remove that so you don't get the Mozilla plugin and the ActiveX. And there's some shortcuts. That's actually what I will just prefer you to do. Click next, or install, sorry. After it's done downloaded, you can see this little pop-up screen. And you can say finish. The little checkbox. Now, here you can click continue. And now you have successfully downloaded Vlc Media Player for your computer. Hope the video has been informative and has helped you. And I hope to see you in my next video.